Hello, and welcome to Sleep and Speak, bedtime stories to learn English and sleep. Get cozy, close your eyes, and let's begin. Today's story is called The Little Xolo Dog and the Stars. A tiny puppy loved to chase fireflies. One night, he barked at the sky full of stars. "Catch us if you can," twinkled the stars above. The puppy wagged his tail and ran in circles. Suddenly, a falling star streaked across the night. The puppy jumped, almost touching the light. He barked happily, knowing the stars were his friends. The puppy wagged his tail and ran in circles. The stars giggled and sprinkled more light on him. Fireflies joined, blinking like tiny lanterns. The puppy barked a melody that echoed in the hills. A silver star floated lower, twinkling just for him. The puppy leapt and gave it a gentle nose kiss. The star spun happily and shot back to the sky. That night, the puppy slept under the stars, dreaming of light. And the stars promised to always sparkle brighter for their little friend. The end. Good night, dream well, and see you tomorrow.